52. Today, I want to remind you of something so simple yet so incredibly powerful, and that's the power of showing up. Sometimes we believe we have to have the perfect words, the perfect mindset, or the perfect schedule in order to be a blessing, but that's simply not true. God moves through your presence long before he moves through your performance. In Ecclesiastes 4, verses 9 and 10, it says, two are better than one. If either falls, one can lift the other. But that only happens when we show up. When you show up for worship, God strengthens you. When you show up in community, God uses you. And when you show up for those who are struggling, God shines through you. I want you to know that your presence is an encouragement, that your presence is stability, and that your presence is the love of Christ. And sometimes the greatest ministry you can offer to those around you is you simply being there, available, connected, and present. This week, Group 52, I want you to know that your presence matters. Show up for one another. Show up for yourself in order for you to be blessed and be a blessing. Thank you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.